Now, in exercise 3, add the fractions in each of the following. So, we have to add the fractions. The same method what we discuss. First, we have to take the LCM of these denominators. 4 and 7 LCM we have to find. So, one is a composite number and one is a prime number. So, we have to take separate. First, we take 4. 4 ones are 4 and 7 as it is, and after that 7. 7 ones are 7. 4 into 7. 4 sevens are 28. 28 is the LCM. Then, in 4 table, when you will get 28, 4 sevens are multiply with 7, numerator and denominator. And second fraction denominator. In 7 table, when you will get 28, this LCM. 7 fours are multiply with 4. Now, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, plus 8 fours are 32, 7 fours are 28. Now, these two are like fractions. When like fractions are there, find sum of the numerators by 28, that is 53 by 28, 53 by 28. This is your addition. So, 53 by 28. When we add 3 by 4 and 8 by 7, then 53 by 28 is the answer. Next. Here, unlike fractions, again we have to take LCM. 2 and 8 LCM. 2 and 8 LCM. These two are divisible by 2. These two are even numbers, so divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Then after that we have to take 4. 1 as it is, 4 ones are 4. Now we multiply. 2 fours are. 2 fours are 8. 8 is your LCM. Now, in first fraction denominator, when the LCM 8 will come, 2 fours are 8. Multiply by 4, numerator and denominator. In 8 table, when you will get 8, 8 ones are multiply by 1, numerator and denominator. Now, after that, 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8, plus 1 ones are 1, 8 ones are 8. Now, like fractions. When like fractions are there, then find sum of the numerators. Sum of the numerators. What are the numerators? 4 plus 1 by common denominator. 4 plus 1, 5 by 8. This is our sum. If we add 1 by 2 and 1 by 8, what is your sum? 5 by 8. This is your sum. Okay. Next, in third question, first we have to find LCM of these denominators. What are the denominators? 5, 2 and 5. So, 2 5s are there, so we have to take 5. 5 ones are 5, 2 as it is, 5 ones are 5. Again 2, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 1 as it is. Multiply 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 10 is the LCM. Now, in first fraction denominator, we have to take first fraction denominator. When the LCM will come in 5 table, 2s are multiply by 2, numerator and denominator. Again second fraction denominator, when you will get this 10, 2 5s are multiply by 5. Third fraction denominator in 5 table, when you will get this LCM, 5 2s are. Then, now 3 2s are 6 by 5 2s are 10. 1 5s are 5 by 2 5s are 10. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. All are like fractions. So, when like fractions are there, then how to do? Add numerators 6 plus 5 plus 2 divided by common denominator. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 by 10. 13 by 10, it is an improper fraction. Then convert into mix. Then 10 divides 13. 10 ones are 10, 3 is the remainder. Then quotient into remainder by divisor. This is the method to convert improper to mix. So, like this we have to add the given fractions. Here 2 plus 2 by 9 plus 5 by 10. So, we have to do this one. Then here there is no by, means by 1 is there. Now, we have to find the LCM of this denominator 1, 9 and 10. So, divisible by 9 first, 1 as it is, 9 ones are 9, 10. Again with 10, 1, 1, 10 ones are 10. Multiply, 9 tens are 90. 90 is the LCM. In first fraction denominator, when you will get 90, 190 is a, multiply with 90. In 9 table, when you will get 90, 10s are, 9 tens are 90. In third fraction denominator 10, when you will get this 90, 10 9s are, multiply by 9. 2 90s are 180 by 190s are 90 plus 2 10s are 20 by 9 10s are 90. 5 9s are 45 by 10 9s are 90. Now, all are like fractions. So, sum of numerators 180 plus 20 plus 45 by 90. 180 plus 20 200, 200 plus 45 245 by 90. Now, if this is an improper fraction, we have to convert into mixed fraction. 90 divides 245. This 90 divides 245. 90 3s are 210. Then 35 left. Then 3 90 90 2s are 93s are 92s are 18. 3s are 27, no? 92s are 180. Then 5 6 65 means it is not 2, it is not 3, 2 2s are 265 by 90. This is our mixed fraction. Okay. So, when we multiply this all, then what is the answer? So, this is your answer 265 by 90. Okay. Second question, find sum of each of the following. Here mixed fractions are given. First, we have to convert mixed fractions into, unlike these mixed fractions into improper fractions, not unlike improper fractions. See here how to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. First, we have to multiply denominator with whole number. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 23. 23 by denominator 4 plus 4 3s are, this denominator multiplies with the whole number, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus numerator, 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4. Here these two fractions are already like fractions. So, just you add numerators, sum of numerators 23 plus 13 by common denominator. So, that is 46 by 4, 46 by 4. So, these two are divisible by 2. So, that is 46, 36, it is not 46, 36. 36 by 4. 36 is even number and 4 is even number. These two are divisible by 2. 36 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. If 36 divides with 2, then that is 18. If 4 divided by 2, 36, it is directly divided by 4. So, no need to take 4, no need to take 2, direct you have to take 4. Here also you have to take 4. In 4 table, when you will get 36, 9s are. In 4 table, when we will get 4, 1s are. 9 by 1 is 9. Your answer is 9. Your answer is 9. Here by 1 is there, no need to take that by 1. It is not compulsory. So, here, so direct we added here. So, why? Because here, why we are adding here direct? It is in like fractions given. It is direct in like fractions. Now, here the second question, mixed fraction. First, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, how to do? 7 we have to multiply with 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 by 7 plus, next here, so this denominator we have to multiply with this whole number. 14 2s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31. 31 by 14. 22 by 7 plus 31 by 14. Now after that we have to take LCM, denominator LCM, 7 and 14. These two are divisible by 7, then take 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Then after that 2 again, 2 1s are 2. Then 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14. Now in 7 table, first fraction denominator, in 7 table when you will get 14, 2s are, multiply with 2. In 14 table when you will get 14, 1s are, multiply with 1. 22 2s are 44 by 7 2s are 14. 31 1s are 31 by 14. Now you add numerators. Sum of numerators, that is 44 plus 31 by 14. 44 plus 31, 75 by 14. 75 by 14. 75 by 14. Now, so this is improper fraction. This improper fraction we have to convert into mixed fraction. 14 divides 75. 14 5s are 70. 5 is a remainder. Then first we have to write the quotient 5 first, then 5 remainder by divisor. 5 by 14. 5 by 14. So this is our answer. This is our answer. What? When you add 3 1 by 7 plus 2 3 by 14, then what is the answer? 5 by 14. 5 by 14 is the answer. Next, here two mixed fraction and one improper fraction is given. How to add? First, mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fraction. Then we have to multiply these two. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Then 53 by 10 as it is. Now we have to multiply these two. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. Now for LCM we have to take 5, 10 and 2. So two numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, these two as it is. Then 2. 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Then 5 2s are 10. Our LCM is 10. In first fraction 5, when you will get this LCM 10, 2s are, multiply with 2. In 10 table, when you will get 10, 1s are, multiply with 1. In 2 table, when you will get this 10, 2 5s are, multiply with 5. 14 2s are 28 by 5 2s are 10. 53 1s are 53, 10 1s are 10. 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. All are like fractions. Now you change into, now all are like fractions we have to add. Sum of numerators we have to find. 28 plus 53 plus 25 by 10. Then how to add? 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 106 by 10. 106 by 10. So 106. Okay. So okay. Now, so this is improper fraction. How to change this improper fraction into mixed? First, these two are even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2. 106 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. Then 106 divided by 2, then what is the answer? 53. Then 10 divided by 2, 10 2 5s are 10. Then 5 divided by 53. Then change into mix. 5 divides 53. 5 10s are 50, 3 left. That means quotient remainder by divisor. So if you add 2 4 by 5, 53 by 10, 2 1 by 2, then our answer is 10 3 by 5. This is the answer. Okay. Here now, subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fraction, how to subtract? The same method what we followed in addition, the same method we have to follow. Unlike fractions, we have to convert into like fractions by taking LCM of the denominators. Okay. First you take the given fractions 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. Now we have to find the LCM of 2 and 8. 2 and 8 denominators. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Again with 4. 1s are 4, 1s are 4. 2 into 4, 2 fours are 8. Now after that in 2 table when you will get this 8, 4s are, multiply with 4. In 8 table when you will get 8, 1s are. Now 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. Then difference of the numerators we have to find, that is 4 minus 3 by common denominator, that we have to write. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 by 8. So the difference 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8 difference is always equal to, which is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8 here. Now students, see here subtraction of unlike mixed fractions, unlike mixed fraction. So unlike fraction as well as mixed fraction, then how to convert? See here, subtract 2 1 by 12 from 5 2 by 3. So here see in some books it is there 5 2 by 3 and 2 1 by 12. So he has given 5 2 by 3 here and 2 1 by 12 here. So you make it correct. If in your textbook it is like this, then no problem. If it is given 5 2 by 3 first, 2 1 by 12 the second position, then you have to make it correct. Okay. So actually you should get 2 1 by 12 here and after that 5 2 by 3 here. Okay. So this is the correct sum. So now how to subtract? So first from means from number we have to take. So from number 5 2 by 3 minus 2 1 by 12 we have to write. Now we have to convert this like mixed fractions into like fractions first, means mixed fractions into improper first. 3 5s are 15, we have to multiply denominator with whole number. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 by 3, then after that minus denominator with whole number. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 by 12. Now after that we have to take LCM. 3 and 12 LCM we have to take. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, again with 4, 1 like this, 4 1s are 4. Multiply 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. Then after that first fraction denominator. In 3 table when you will get 12, 3 4s are 12 and 17 4s are. And after that in 12 table when you will get this 12, in second fraction denominator 12. In 12 table when you will get this LCM 12, 1s are into 1s are. 17 4s are 68 by 3 4s are 12 minus 25 1s are 25, 12 1s are 12. Then how to minus? Numerator minus numerator, difference of the numerators, 68 minus 25 by common denominator. 68 minus 25, how much? 43, 43 by 12, 43 by 12. Then 43 by 12, this is a improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 12 divides 43. 12 3s are 36. Then borrow 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7. Then here 7. Then which is quotient first, then remainder by divisor. So if you subtract 5 2 by 3 minus 2 1 by 12, then what is the answer? 3 7 by 12 is your answer. Okay. Now here So in exercise 5th, subtract. We have to subtract 6 by 9 from 2 by 3. 6 by 9 from 2 by 3. From 2 by 3 means first we have to take 2 by 3 minus 6 by 9. So otherwise you have to take 2 by 3 here in the down. 2 by 3 minus 6 by 9. Minus 6 by 9. Okay. Now here. So we have to find the LCM of this. What? 3 and 9. So these two are divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again we have to take 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are. Now you multiply 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 is your LCM. Now in first fraction denominator, when you will get this LCM? 3 3s are multiply with 3. In second fraction denominator, when you will get LCM? 1s are and 1s are. 2 3s are 6 by 3 3s are 9 minus 6 1s are 6 by 9 1s are 9. Then, so these two are like fractions. Then what to do? Numerators minus 6 by common denominator. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 by 9, so which is 0. 0 by 9 answer is 0. Okay. Same fraction minus same fraction, answer is 0. Same fraction minus same fraction. The fraction minus itself, the answer is 0. Then 7 by 12 from 7 by 10 means first we have to take 7 by 10. From means from number we have to take first. Minus 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Now we have to take LCM, denominators LCM 10 and 12. These two are even numbers divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. These two are consecutive numbers. First we have to take 5. 5 1s are and 6 is not divisible by 5. We have to take as it is. Then 6. 1s are and 6 1s are 6. 2 into 5 into 6. 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60. Our LCM is 60. In 10 table, when you will get this LCM 60? 10 6 are multiply with 6. In 12 table, when you will get this LCM 60? 12 5s are 7 6 are 42 by 10 6 are 60 minus 7 5s are 35, 12 5s are 60. Now minus numerators minus by common denominator. 42 minus 35 is 7 by 60. This is the answer. Okay. Now here, so in this, so we have to find minus. So LCM of this denominators 12 and 9. So these two are divisible by 3. We have to take 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are. These two are consecutive numbers. We have to take one by one. First take 4. 4 1s are 4. These 3 as it is. After that 3. This one as it is 3 1s are 3. Now you multiply 3 into 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Okay. In first fraction denominator, when you will get 36 in 12 table? 12 3s are multiply with 3. In second fraction denominator 9. In 9 table, when you will get 36? 9 4s are multiply with 4. 7 3s are 21. 12 3s are 36 minus 5 4s are 20 by 9 4s are 36. Now how to find difference? First we have to find the difference of like fractions. 21 minus 20 by common denominator. 21 minus 20 1 by 36. It means if we minus that 7 by 12 minus 5 by 9, the answer is 1 by 36. 1 by 36 is your answer. Here by 1, there is no by means by 1 is there. 1 and 6 LCM. 1 and 6 LCM is 6 only. Okay. In one table, when you will get 6 are multiply with 6. In 6 table, when you will get 6 1s are multiply with 1. 5 6 are 30 by 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 6 1s are 6. Then difference of numerators, 30 minus 1 by common denominator 6, 29 by 6. 29 by 6 is a improper fraction, then change into mixed. 6 29, 6 4s are 24, 5 left, which is 4 5 by 6. 4 5 by 6. It means 5 minus 1 by 6, then answer is 4 5 by 6. 4 5 by 6. Next, in this third question, subtract the mixed numbers. Here in this bit, in second bit, so we did A and B. A and B. More two questions were there. That more two questions do as your home assignment. Okay. Next, in this third one, we have to subtract mixed number, that is 3 5 by 12. 3 5 by 12 from 3 5 by 12 from 7 4 by 9. 7 4 by 9. So, how to do this? See here. First, we have to multiply these two. 12 3 is a 36. 36 plus 5, 41. 41 by 12 from, we have to multiply these two. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 4, 67. It means first we have to write from number 67 by 9 minus 41 by 12. Then find the LCM. 9 and 12 LCM we have to take. 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again with 3, 4 as it is. 4. 3 into 3 into 4. 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. In 9 table, when you will get 36, 4s are, multiply with 4. In 12 table, when you will get 36, 3s are. 67 4s are, 4 7s are, 28 2, 4 6s are, 4 7s are, 28 4 6s are, 24 26, 268 by 36 minus 41 3s are, 3 are 3, 3 4s are 12, 123 by 36. Then after that, numerator minus 268 minus 123 by common denominator. Then minus 8 minus 3 5, 6 minus 2 4 and 1, 145 by 36. Then 36 divides 145. 4s are, 4 6s are, 24 2, 4, 4 3 are 12, 14, 144, 1 is a remainder. Then 4 1 by 36. This is our answer. This is our answer. It means if we make minus from this, then 4 1 by 6 is the answer. 4 1 by 6 is the answer. So, in this third question, more one question is left that you do as your home assignment. Okay.